the key here is to understand the intent of Disney December, right? Because as you've seen, I have the steady cardio versus the Disney December. What's the difference between the two? There's actually quite a big difference. The steady cardio is toward behavioral change. What the Disney December is about is to allow you to come down 3 notches, right? So I want you to do Disney December. So for example, your levels of lactate are very high at rest and things like this. So we're going to teach you to learn, we're going to teach you to use the lactate and all that thing. But there are moments where you just need to calm down. The high levels of lactate at rest means that you are in what they call behavioral stress, which means you are within a fight with the world. Whether it's at work, whether it's with the spouse or whatever it is, you are within a fight with the world. There are 2 ways to raise your lactate levels, right? The first one is physiological, by exercising, right? Doing a sprint, running, all that stuff. And the second is psychological in the sense of behavioral, which means you are having a fight with someone. If you just start screaming at someone, you will see your levels of lactate rising, which is normal because evolutionarily speaking, a fight with someone is a possibility for violence. Therefore, the fuel, lactate, is being pumped. Right. You have super high levels of lactate at rest. You are super high strung. Obviously, you're in a major fight with whatever, right? You're very high strung. You are at very high levels of reactivity to the world for very good reasons. So that's what I refer to on the Brainwaves podcast that you can see is I'm talking about very high in the beta brainwaves, right? Where if you walk around with very high levels of lactate at rest, you are in that almost surprise, scared, excited, but in a negative way feeling, right? You know, like sometimes you walk around and you feel scared. Like there's a fear that is in you that you don't understand. Or you walk around so stressed out, you feel like you're in a constant state of surprise. Like you aren't going like, what the fuck is happening? You don't even understand. That's actually, from a brainwave perspective, the high betas, right? Your levels of lactate are going to be very high because of that. Because behaviorally speaking, your body is like, there's a fight for my life is happening. Now, that doesn't mean you're in an actual fight with a bear for your life. But it doesn't matter because to your system, you are, because that's the way you're entering that situation. Remember, there's 2 ways to do this. One is pure physical, the other one can be mental. Your state is in a fight for your life. Your levels of lactate are going to be through the roof. The thing is, normally, physically, when you're in a fight for your life, you're going to use that lactate. In that case, because it is an aggression that comes from whatever society or whatever it is, that lactate is going to be there, but not being used. So, by the way, that means that lactate goes straight to your brain, going through the blood-brain barrier past a certain level, and it also goes straight to your muscle that start to use it because it needs to be flushed out somewhere, and it cannot do until you calm down. So that means your all your muscles are going to start contracting just to use the lactate, and that's where you're cramping and all that feeling of being so stiff and you're like that, and that freaking out comes out. Is your whole body is in a fight for its life, right? So when you start to reach that stage, again, I'm going to teach you to use the lactate, but at that moment, what you need is to chill down 3 notches. And I think the Disney December is a perfect thing for that. Like, it might not happen right away, but what I want you to go through the Disney December. So what is it? It's a form of cardio that is going to be very highly automated, which means don't make it challenging physically, because anytime it's challenging physically, you're going to become reactionary. Reactionary means beta waves, right? Means back to a fight. You don't want to go too fast, right? Because then your heart rate goes up, same thing. Threat to the body, we're back in the same place. So I want a lower heart rate, 120, 130, just enough to boost that parasympathetic side, but not go into sympathetic. And also to make it not challenging, to make it highly automated so that you do not have to constantly pay attention to the outside. So you can start to pay attention to the inside, to turn that eye inside instead of outside. That's the alpha brainwave I was talking about in the podcast. I need you to turn the eye in. That will lower all that stuff. Obviously, you might find some intrusive thought patterns coming at you, and that's the point of Disney December. Is I want you to train that. I want you to train your thought patterns. That will tell you where you are. If you start to go too fast, if you start challenging yourself too much, through running through, an area that can be grass, but where there's holes, you're going to have to pay attention to the world too much. You can't be in Disney December. If you bicycle through the city, there's cars. Can't be in Disney December, right? The point is to be into a safe, very automated form of cardio. It's going to allow you to raise the system, and lower your lactate levels, but within a safe, automated way that allows you to calm everything in notches where you can start to look inside and stay there. I want you to train your own thought patterns during Disney December. That's what it's for. So it requires a lower heart rate, so I don't know, 120, 140, right? Something like that, with a thought pattern that is not based on the outside, that is based on the inside. And of course, the music, the Disney princesses music is done to trigger that vagus nerve response, right? In order to bring safety and calm everything down, right? So the people that are finding impossible to do Disney December without disengaging is because their thought patterns are way too high toward the reactionary, toward the fight with the world. The Disney December is great to calm down. Now, if you have not trained it enough, or if you're really too messed up, you will not be able to reach that state. That's okay. There's a steady cardio is something else we need to do as well. But I want you to understand when to do the Disney December, right? You do that when you are just too high of a level and you know you can bring yourself down. If you cannot bring yourself down because that thought pattern is just something you cannot escape, then we're going to go at it through the steady cardio, which is the next video, where suddenly, instead of trying to teach a thought pattern, we're going to teach to deal with stress without spiking. Cool? Thank you.